Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to do a fieldwork presentation. We will present to you our group members Nur Shamsina Shasha, Nur Aina Zafira, Nurul Aina Farhana and Adinin Rania. Alright, so for the introduction is Fieldwork Embedded in Environmental Soil Science was held from 25 until 27 October 2024 to Ceranting Kuantan Road, Pahang. For the purpose of the field execution trip, a total of 2 profiles or pageants have been selected and were examined in the 2 days of field execution. 2 of these profiles are place soils located at Maldi Station, Sherating, north of Kuantan. 1 profiles are common source developed and granite rocks around Kuantan. Sherating is located on the coastal area of Pahang. The soil types in this area consist mainly of pre-soils, beach-rich interspersed with swales. The soil series are Machang, Rutapai, and Begging. So, the objective of this fieldwork is to expose the students to actual soil conditions in the field, to strengthen students' knowledge on soil through group studies and discussion, and the last one is to develop students' ability in analyzing environmental impact of improper management of land.
So this is all the materials that I use. The first one is measuring tape, second hand trowel, third compass, fourth master soil color chart, fifth notebook, and lastly ranging pole.
So there are some methods for this field work. So the first one is identification of layers and horizons, determination of soil color, determination of soil texture, examine soil structure, soil consistence, and drainage class. So for the result and discussion, we go to the next slide.
Result and discussion. The general information for pattern 1, it is located at Mardi Station, Cherating. The elevation is 8 meter. The drainage is a well-drained soil. The coordinates is north 4 degrees 4 minutes 32.16 seconds, east 103 degrees 23 minutes 17.5 seconds. It is a soil that land used for cashew plantation. The perimeter is breeze, which is marine sand, and the average for topography is 2 degrees. For profile description, first the topmost horizon is O horizon. The depth is from 0 to 38 centimeters. It consists of single grain coarse sand with a weak structure. The color is 1 chroma value 4. Next, the A horizon depth is between 38 to 74 centimeters. It contains coarse sand with a weak structure. The color is 2 chroma and value 5. Next, the E horizon, the depth is between 74 until 100 centimeters that exhibit a moderate structure with a coarse sand. The color is 6 chroma and value 5. Next, the B1 horizon is depth between 100 until 116 centimeters that features a moderate structure with fine particles. The color is 6 chroma and value 5. Next, the B2 horizon depth is from 116 to 119 centimeters that share similar color with 6 chroma and value 6 with a moderate structure with fine particles. And lastly, the B3 horizon that the depth is from 119 to 166 centimeters. This horizon is clear light with a very strong structure with color 6 chroma and value of 5, value of 6.
Next is discussion for morphological or physical properties. First is a texture, which is from 0 to 25 cm is very coarse, 25 to 50 cm is a medium, meanwhile average 25 to 100 cm is a coarse. For the color, it's a range from grey to brownish yellow. For the consistence, is loose to very friable, and structure is very weak structure. For physiological feature, the O horizon is organic rich with good moisture retention, and the A horizon is transition zone where the organic content leach out. The E horizon exhibit a large loss of nutrient and organic content by elevation. the B horizon divided into B1, B2, and B3 is characterized by clay accumulation, mineral deposition, and the thickness of clay layer as the soil development process begins. Now we move on to pattern 2, which is located at Teluk Syabada at the coordinate 3 degrees 48 minutes 51.97 second north and 103 degree 22 minutes 6.45 second east, which had an elevation at 12 meter, and the parameter is granite. For the drainage is moderate well drained. Land use is at recreation area in forested zone. And for the topography or slope, which in average 2 degree.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Adenin Rania and I'm going to proceed to our profile description for our result pattern 2, which was held at Teluk Cepadak. So as you can see from the slide, we already captured our soil profile and we put it in a slide and it has four different horizons, which is the O, A, B1 and B2. So let's go through one by one. The first horizon is the O horizon. The depth is 0 to 15 centimeters. So the color is for chroma value 4, which is grayish brown. And what we found is the soil is very coarse sand and it has a weak structure. This is because of the high organic matter content that consists in the soil. Next is the A horizon. The depth is 15 to 29 centimeters. The color is 6 chroma value 4, which is a strong brown color. And we also found that the soil is coarse sand as well, but it is not as coarsey as the O horizon, but it's definitely also coarse and it's a single grain. It also has a weak structure. This is because of the mixture of clay content and the mineral content, the mixture of clay and mineral that contains in the soil. Next is the B1 horizon. The depth is 29 till 90 centimeters. The color is also 6 chroma value 4, which is also a strong brown. But the difference between A horizon and B1 horizon is B1 has a sandy loam texture, and it is slightly moist and slightly wet, and it has a moderate structure. The last one is a B2 horizon. The depth is 90 till 115 centimeters. The color is a chroma value 6 and it is a reddish brown color. And the texture is sandy loam and it's very moist and very wet. The high content in the soil is very high. This is because of the clay content that is in the soil, and it also has a moderate structure. So that is it for the profile description for result pattern 2.
Is discussion for pattern 2 in morphological or physical properties. Firstly, the texture from 0 to 25 cm is known for very coarse, 25 to 50 cm is coarse, meanwhile for the average from 25 to 100 cm is coarse. For the color, it ranges from greenish brown color to reddish brown color. The consistence is loose and friable. Structure is moderate structure. For the pedological feature, at the all horizon is grayish brown color at the 0 to 15 cm, which is a very weak and very coarse sand. The air horizon is from 15 to 29 cm, a strong brown with a single grain and sandy loam. The B1 horizon was from 29 to 90 cm, which is breaking to a moderate structure, and sandy loam and also moist. Lastly, the B2 horizon is from 90 to 115 cm, which is known for reddish brown color and had a sandy clay loam in the moderate and also had an iron oxide accumulation. accumulation.
Okay, in conclusion, the examination of the patterns during the fieldwork provided a comprehensive understanding of the variations in soil profiles and their development in distinct geological and environmental settings. So the pre-soil patterns at the Mardi station in Cherating demonstrated the unique characteristics of coastal soils, including their sandy textures, low fertility, and distinct profile differentiation. So these soils are strongly influenced by the coastal environment with limited organic matter and nutrient retention. So overall, the differences observed among the patterns highlighted the significant influence of parent material, um, topography, and environmental conditions on soil formation, structure, and also fertility. So these findings are essential for understanding soil management and land use potential in the region.